see the accident in the carpool lane? Some motherfucker, like, his car exploded or some shit, but no fire, but like, his entire front end, like, popped. But he didn't turn on his fucking emergency, so people were like piling into it.
What's up, guys? We are at Squire's house. Squiggly. This doggy. Today we're gonna install some coilovers for this MR2. And we are gonna slam the hell out of it.
Oh, fired out?
Yeah, it's pretty fire.
Grind it off right now.
See that shit?
There you go.
First one ever. World premiere. No, mine is actually, second one. Jesus Christ.
That's Bert's stock height.
Hey, that's Bert's stock height right there.
Start moving in the deck.
Alright, so we just zapped the top 3 off. Now we're gonna take off the bottom 2. Right there.
1, 2.
Your little mallet. Was that plastic mallet?
Yeah. Rubber mallet.
Rubber, they're not plastic. Now it's gonna drop down, but it's secured up top here. So we're just gonna take these 3 off and then it's gonna come right out.
Hold on by the bolt.
And we gotta take that off to take off the brake line right here and then it drop right out.
I'm in a club.
So just TV blast them before you guys work on it. You guys should come right out.
UV blast is amazing.
Loosens anything.
Even your girl. We gotta stick to the viewers, Bert. How you feeling about this? Confidence level out of 10.
Probably an 8.
8?
I think everything's going pretty smooth.
All right.
But as we all know,
I think the back ones are easier than the front.
I thought it was the other way around.
Really? I don't know. I mean, this is a different engine car, so.
Leave it in the comments.
Leave in the comments. Let us know which one's easier.
Yeah, everything's going pretty smooth. A little too smooth, to be honest. Danger zone. Right.
This side?
It's going down.
That way.
This way.
This way.
This way.
Okay. So this way. Okay.
Towards me, right?
Yeah. Towards
Okay.
the GoPro. Looking pretty crispy. These are not RPF ones.
You're right about that. Because he can't hear himself, he doesn't know if he sparks.
The brake line loose out, so now it's time to drop it. The top 3 right here.
Oh, it's good.
Came out.
It dropped, but like
So it just dropped out.
it's right there. We just gotta pick it up now.
Now you just gotta take it off the bottom.
Where's the other one?
Reason why we didn't take off this one yet, because we couldn't reach it with the Allen key in the back, so that's why we took off the bottom one and then leave this on and we'll take it off separately.
It's pretty weird.
Gotta jimmy it out. Watch out for the brake line.
Stuck on front line still. Hold on. One more bolt.
Well, you want me to move that?
Oh god.
Now you're good, bro.
Thank god.
Alright, just got this shit out.
Here you go.
Oh, we can't cuss, huh?
What do you like with headlocks?
Alright, first one out the way.
Congrats, buddy.
Oh wait, you need to take off the end link.
Yep. Are we gonna get copywritten because of the music in the background?
Nah, that's original. Royalty free. We're gonna do unboxing of the Fortunato coilovers for the ZZW30, the 3rd gen MR2 Spider.
That's mint.
Got a little pointy finger right here.
Fire!
Alright.
Nice.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah, that's on a fat drop.
Yeah. So our spanner wrenches Fortunato gives you.
Yep.
Okay, so. Okay, so how do I check back in once you got the preload figured out? Alright guys, so we're setting the preload on the rear spring. So the manual says you should not exceed 1/8 of an inch on a 7-inch spring right here. So let's see, we're gonna do everything right there. So you can see that it's on the top of the spring. Going down here, the spring ends right there. It's a line in between 6 and 7/8 inches and 7. So it's right before the 7. Just putting it back together, Fortune Auto. Bolting everything back up, and then we'll see how it goes. So the camera plates are horizontal, going like this. So that's the one right there, and then the other one right there. It's kind of stupid design where you can't really mess with the camera plates or the bolts or whatever on the car. So you gotta figure it out. I don't even know how it works.
We had to bang this out. It was rubbing on the inside of the wheel, as you can see. But his new wheels are 17s, these are 16s, so it should be wider and won't rub. It's just, we hammered it out so we could get home. But they're in. Oh my gosh.
Now I just got victimized.
I got victimized.
You know what you
Whoa!
Whoa!
Here we go, here we set up.
Alright.
Just the rears.
Wait, do you want to put blocks? No.
No. Imagine just buckles under it. What the fuck? Why would you say that? Wait, wasn't everyone thinking that?
Yes.
Motherfucker.
Nothing's under. Let's see this masterpiece.
Yeah.
Wait, more. I'm good on this side. You're good.
Alright, all the way down. Let's see it. It's the same shit!
No, it's gotta rest. It'll lower probably like a finger.
Wait, that's it?
No. Oh, it's satisfied.
That's it?
Wait, that's it?
Okay, it was a fist before. Trust me, it was a fist before. Now it's 2 in the pink. Now it's 2 in the pink.
We should have kept the 2-inch drop.
That was a 2-inch drop.
Fuck, no, what was it? Oh, it was 3, right?
It was supposed to be 3.5, and then we decided on 2.
We should have went 3.
That's right.
Okay,
That's
let's
right.
just work on the front.
Alright, let's do the front.
Do the front, man.
Let's get the shit done.
Wait, should we just stop and go with it?
Put the weight on.
I can get through.
Alright, where's this one?
Here.
Got the louver, the IS, but it won't. Yeah.
It's the rear window louver for the IS300 first gen.
No, it goes right over here because of the way it mounts.
Oh, okay, so this would have to come off.
Yeah.
So you guys have a louver and you guys have window wing. You guys gotta take that off. It's just like this.
It doesn't look bad though. No, yeah, with the spoiler.
Don't ask this guy what wing this is.
Alright, we got the wheels on. You already know. It's supposed to be an hour install. It took 4 hours. Just for the rear. But we got them on. And we will lower it in a bit. But we're officially done with cars. This is the end of our YouTube already.
First video and last video.
First video and last video. The food people are here. We've been starving for days.
What's up, party people?
For days.
This shit was cheap, dude. $11 a person.
Hell yeah!
Hell
Cheaper was
yeah.
calling it in. I just
What'd you
gave
get?
66 to
What was
just make
that?
it easy for everyone. $11 even.
Oh, really?
Horchata?
Yeah.
Oh, Harry?
Should we put it in the sun?
In the sun?
Inside, yeah.
Inside, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Let's do a table.
What's up, buddy? Day 87. And we're still here.
No.
We've made camp.
You might not have to do any of that.
We made fire.
We're now residents of El Monte.
Hey, they don't know where we live. San Jose, you mean?
Residents of San Jose.
You're fine. Scrape!
And I'm like,
So we finished. We finally finished. And it looks pretty good. It looks really good. Wheel gap.
I mean, it's not full softener. I guess if I go thinner later on, I think we'll be fine.
It's good. Nice. Nice.
Happy,
That is Willis's car. Will.
That's
And we are dirty. Look how dirty I'm.
45.
Do we do kampai or cheers?
Come by.
Alright.
Come cream pie.
Kampai.
Oh.
It's pretty gay.
Kampai.
Oh, get Harry.
Oh yeah.